Hey guys, what's going on? It's Jeff with MarketWiz. Um, Today I just want to go into one of our products. I've been talking about business a lot, like just business ideas and how to, just make more money for it. But today I'm just going to go into one of our MarketWiz products. It's our, um, it's like a Craigslist auto poster, but what's different about it is that it uses AI, so every ad is different. And that's part of like how it gets past Craigslist, obviously. It just blasts different ads. We have an account creator with AI. It creates your accounts, it makes the ads, it posts the ads automatically. You have shared access. So like if you were a business who or let's say a car dealer or a real estate company, um, you can look at all the ads every day and make sure it's working. Most people don't because it's just a waste of time, but you could check in every once in a while and just look at all the ads, which I'm going to show you. I actually did a demo of it. I used to like make these YouTube videos and show our real clients, but then I would have like weirdos calling my clients when I would showcase, like their ads that had their business name on it. They would get calls from like people trying to sell them services and stuff. So now I've learned over the years. So I just like make MarketWiz stuff just as a demo, So it's just my info, my company's info. Um, so one of the benefits of ours is it's the only one that can be tracked. Like you could just, like I said, you get a login and you could see all the ads. The other unique benefit of it is we do everything for you. Like all these other ones, they're like anywhere from a couple $100 a month, and you have to like do the work. Like why would you pay a couple $100 a month and then you have to do the work? Because it's kind of it's just a waste of time, honestly. Um, we charge a couple $100 and we do it all for you. Plus, we pay for the proxies. We have a deal with all the proxies, so we can get it much cheaper than most people. So you would have to pay for all the proxies and have all these computers and servers. You'd have to also get with the software. So we've made this easy for businesses where it's cheaper than renting a software, and we're like a full marketing agency that does all of it for you, and we give you a login to look at all the ads all day so you can see everything and make changes if you want. We can't You can't make this any like easier and simpler. People are still struggling with these marketplace accounts, these Craigslist accounts, all these doing all these postings every day. You really need a cheap, efficient system that does it every day because you can't keep up. It's too much time. You'll be there all day posting Craigslist ads. Trust me. So let me get into the details here. So I just made a couple examples here. Like, so, our last video we did furniture marketing help. So you could check out these ads that the AI posted. Furniture store marketing help. Stay active and sell more. $1. And you can see we put these under, like the business category. But if you're a car dealer, we'll put them under cars. If you're furniture store selling furniture, we put them under furniture. Appliance, you get the idea, right? And then we've got the picture here. Again, our AI system did this. So it's got like all this, ver verbiage here. No complicated setup, no waste of time, just consistent visibility and more opportunities to sell. So like if you're in the Dallas city and you're a business owner and you're looking around, you're gonna see this. Um, we've got our smartly, we've got all our call to actions right in the picture here, call, text. So interestingly, let me do a little cool thing for you because this is just about Craigslist auto posting for your business. But when you get really advanced, like we are, let's say, because I don't even field calls anymore because it's half the people are like crazy. But um, let's say I want to call this number.
Hey there. Thanks so much for picking up. This is Marissa with MarketWiz.AI. How's it going?
Pretty good. I saw this like weird Craigslist ad that says you could help my furniture store.
Yeah, well, I'm glad it caught your eye. So, what's your biggest challenge right now with getting customers in the door for your furniture store?
Nobody has any money, and I'm spending like 30 hours a week for free just posting ads, and it's wasting all my time.
Okay, so you're basically burning 30 hours a week on manual posting and not really seeing the results, right? That's exactly what we solve. Here's the thing. Instead of you spending all that time, we automate the entire posting process across Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, OfferUp, and Nextdoor. Plus, our AI responds to every lead in under 10 seconds, 24/7. So you're not just posting more, you're actually converting more because you're responding faster than your competitors. What does a typical customer spend with you when they come in?
Actually, I'm sold. Can you just how do I sign up?
Perfect. So here's what you do. Just head over to MarketWiz.AI and click the book a demo button right on the homepage. Takes like 2 minutes and you'll be all set up. We'll get your first ads live within 48 hours. And you'll start seeing leads come in pretty much immediately. Any questions before you head over there?
No, that's it. Thank you. Bye.
You're welcome. Good luck with everything and thanks for choosing MarketWiz. Talk soon.
My name's Jeff, by the way.
Oh, hey, Jess. Nice to meet you. I'm Marissa with MarketWiz.AI. Thanks again for taking the call. Excited to get you set up.
Thanks. Bye. Okay, so when you get want to get more advanced using MarketWiz, we could set up these custom agents with custom code that is running on the newest platforms 24/7. Now that call to action is just, it's straightforward. Like our call to action that we want at MarketWiz is to just not somebody, sorry, a business to book a demo off our website. Because then I get the notification and I can look at like, okay, guy living in basement selling like knickknacks. Okay, I don't want that, right? So for my company, I need to like, look at people first, make sure they're like, okay, this is a company, this is like a small business, this is like a real business, right? But for a furniture store, it's just, it's just customers calling to buy furniture. So you don't need to, gatekeep, basically, as they say, right? You don't need to like filter people between like crappy businesses, marketing agencies trying to steal all your shit, like what happens to me every single day. And then actual good customers. So you don't, for a furniture store, you don't need to gatekeep. There's no weird people calling. It's just, it's just like customers looking for furniture, 99% of the time. So you could do, you could have it call an AI. You could have it call your store. A lot of people just, the people are running a furniture store, so they get people to answer a phone. You could just put your regular phone number there. It's fine. Um, or you could use AI. And one feature you didn't see in our AI is that there's like a warm call. So if it says talk to person, or you could set up where there's certain things, whatever, it will transfer from the AI to your store phone or your phone if you just want just like a little extra help there. Or like you can even set up like custom gatekeeping code like I do for my SMS, which you could try out there. It's on the screen, where it won't even book a demo until it gets a couple questions answered, and that kicks out all the strange people and tire kickers, every single time. So, you could, every business is different and every business owner is different with that business. So things work better for certain people. So you could set it up however you want, right? So that's an example of kind of like using Craigslist ads with, AI callers and stuff. So let's go to Dallas and make sure I'm not lying about anything here. Do, 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 do. Oh, whoops. What's that? Nacho. What is that? Nacho. Oh, I thought I hit like a weird city. That was weird. Okay. We're in Dallas Craigslist. Marketing. There we go. Um, well, let's click on. marketing. Here we go. Services, gigs, jobs, resumes. So it's doing that thing. But you can go to for sale, type in marketing here, and then look at this. The whole page is MarketWiz. So nobody wants to pay $5 for these Craigslist ads, so that's why you should use MarketWiz. So we could post like 20 ads a day. So instead of paying like 100 a day, you're paying like, like 40 cents or something, like whatever we charge, which is really cheap. So you could see where we basically blasted this whole area. So you could hit the refresh, like today's 3/8. So we've got all these ads up here. So you could go here. Here's an example of another AI ad. AI creates it all. We're not sitting there writing all these emojis. um, so that's kind of funny. So there's one example. Let's go into another one. And again, you're gonna have multiple accounts, multiple profiles. Um, so these are multiple. Let's pick. We're in Dallas, but I did another couple cities. What's this city? Chicago. All right. Um, where are we here? Chicago. Okay. So this one's pretty cool where this is like mattress stores. So the AI is going to randomly just create ads, but you can like change that and target that however you want. You could you know decide how you want it to create the ads. So it's not like random chaos obviously. But this is on a proxy, so that's why it's slow. But so there's that one. We've got the mattress store one going in Chicago. So let's go back here. Let's go to Chicago. Chicago. Just type in mattress store. So if somebody types in mattress store, we're the number one. And this is good because, like, I mean, I'm not expecting to get a lot of business off this, but, these mattress stores, look at all these ads. These mattress store companies see these ads, AI ads for mattress stores. It's just kind of funny, right? So, and this is AI creating the whole thing. So AI, as you can see, doesn't just create the copy, you know. So the copy is down here, and then so we've even got the web URL, the SMS, and the call right here. Click that. Boom, there it is, the correct numbers. But the AI also creates the images as well. So you don't even got to worry about that. I mean, you don't even do anything. It just you tell us like for your business, I'm a mattress store. Here's all my pictures I want to use. We take your pictures, we throw it in our AI engine, it creates all these ads basically. You'd give us your pricing as well, obviously, and basic stuff, your address, your phone number, but and then we could get more advanced as you see fit. But pro tip, you make way more money doing this because at the end of the tax time, you don't see these huge. You don't have to write off all these huge amounts and then basically just not making any money off, huge ad spend basically. Like 20,000 a year, 30,000 a year. Instead of that, you pay like a couple grand, and per location, and you're good. And that way you keep the extra 25,000 in your pocket, and you're making more sales than just paid ads. This stuff crushes paid ads, obviously. This is just like this is one thing. This is one thing out of like 30 things that we do for your business. We have the automated AI Craigslist ads, the Facebook ads, the Facebook group ads, the let go ads, the offer up ads, the AI content engine on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, Threads. Um, what's the other one? YouTube Shorts. So I just named off like 13 more things. This is just you could just do this and probably make more money with our Craigslist auto poster than like running paid Facebook ads. I'm not even kidding you. So people that are using us are saving money and getting all their time back for their family and their business, and they're making a lot more money as well. and then they don't have to waste all this money on ads that don't work. I mean, I have call tracked Facebook and Craigslist campaigns getting like thousands upon thousands and thousands of calls every single month. So, okay, so you get the point of that. So let's do, I did one more example here. So this one is like for real estate. So we did a little real estate one, which is nice. And how this works is our AI just so it's kind of complicated because you have like the AI that controls our custom browsers, but also rotates proxies and uses proxies. So it's kind of like many different things happening at once. And then it also has to go through the image creation. Um, as you can see, these are green ads. These are working. Most 99% of any software you'll buy will be 100% red. They won't work. And that's because like they don't tell you how to do it. They don't tell you have to buy all the proxies and it's way more money to even try to get it to work like 20% of the time. So it's a lot of them are incomplete systems and it's not feasible that you can compete because you're not going to be able to even do it every day. Whereas our system runs every day 24/7, And what we do too is like let's say you want to be in the furniture category. We've got like we're doing like this is a test of one a day. You could probably do a couple a day, no issue, maybe more sometimes. But we have a account AI account creator as well that uses like throwaway emails, like Yahoo and stuff, whatever, it doesn't matter. But um, it will actually create multiple accounts and then just so then you could just post like 10 a day if you want for just post a lot more. And you can see here the proxy rotation is pretty cool because we're posting multiple states here as well. Um, and we're even doing marketing ads. Like these shouldn't even. Craigslist has a pretty good um, detection system. They're supposed to like flag marketing ads, but they can't stop these ones because they're all different pretty much. Whether it's just like little words they're different or like different descriptions modified. Images have a pixel, everything's changed every time. Back in the day, we had a software that would do a mutation feature um, that would like you could like highlight words and then have them changed. Like it was hooked up to like a dictionary back like 12 years ago. That was the old way with before AI became mainstream and more advanced and functional. We used to have like this thesaurus thing built into this mutation where it would pick like a synonym of like a word. It was pretty funny, but that would actually work good. Um, so you kind of get the Craigslist point here, right? Um, and again, this login, you'll be able to have a login and just log into all of your ads. We could scale nationwide. Like if you're a franchise and have a lot of different furniture stores, it's really easy for us to scale all these stores up, efficiently and successfully. So if you have any comments or questions below, let me know. I I don't have time to teach you how to start your own Craigslist business or do this for free, obviously. And I can't do it for free either. I have to pay for like data, accounts, AI, so I can't even do it for free myself. But I can, do it better and cheaper than any other company out there if you're a business who needs help with this type of thing. In the next video, because I feel like I've been yapping too much about like um, the like business stuff. So that's why I'm just gonna get into like doing product, videos again. So let me just show you this ad. This is for like rental companies or like apartments or yeah, these are like apartment ads. So just to show you what the AI created here for this is a different type of ad for marketing using our business. Lease smarter. Um, come on. See, proxies don't load as fast. AI, least smarter, AI that keeps your apartment ads live and booked. Blah, 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 blah. Text, call, boom. Website, boom. There you go. Daily auto posting. Keep your listings live on Craigslist. Who else does this except me, right? That practices what they preach. It's like you find all these other companies that promise this, and then it's like, well, why wouldn't they do it for themselves to make free sales? Well, that's what I'm doing. I get calls from Craigslist more than like everything, honestly. Like when I start posting these Craigslist ads, I get businesses calling me all the time. So yeah, of course I would do it. We're not like a huge company, so I don't want to do this like nationwide, but I can do it, like I could if I do it in like 20 cities, I could get as much for I work as I want if I did want extra work. So I'm not going to get too crazy, but um, yeah, just an example doing it myself. That and we do 40 different industries. So whether you're a HVAC company, real estate, or furniture, mattress, we could help you out. Um, Managing apartment listings shouldn't take all day. MarketWiz.ai helps you automate your advertising and fill vacancies faster. Oh, and a good question is, does this software, well, I mean, I don't really know if you call AI software anymore. It's kind of like they say Claude the first one to have a real consciousness. So I don't know. I mean, it's like a combination of like I guess it's mostly AI, but I don't know what it is anymore. But it's a bunch of things working together at this point, right? But um, oh geez, I just forgot my train of thought here. Shit. All right. Well, anyways, MarketWiz.ai, and the next video I'm going to do is the Facebook Marketplace poster, which is insane. Oh, also, let me show you one thing. We have the AI responder that works on Craigslist chats also. I don't know if it's, see the chats, I don't know if they rolled it out to 100% of accounts yet, but we could plug in an AI autoresponder to the chats, which is pretty cool. Not all accounts have it. I'm thinking they stopped that. They rolled it out a year ago and they stopped it. But I'll show you the Facebook Marketplace next video with our AI autoresponder that is like crushes anybody. It's better selling than people at this point. And then you hook that up, and then you get that 10-second time delay. It's insane. So I'll show you how that works in the next video. Jeff with MarketWiz. Thanks a lot.